How to set or change your profile picture on Duolingo. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set or change your profile picture on Duolingo. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using an updated version of the Duolingo application, and if not, then go ahead and update your device further. Now open the Duolingo application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and further tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the profile option you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, you can either tap on the plus icon you see there above your name, or you can also tap on the settings button and go to the profile option from there. Nevertheless, you will be led to the same interface from where you will be able to make changes to your avatar. And if you do not have already set an avatar, then you can also create a new avatar from here. Unfortunately, Duolingo does not allow its users to add a proper profile picture, and it's only the avatar that the users can change. So go ahead and make changes to your avatar according to your preferences and tap on the Done option on the top right of your screen, and this is how you can set or change your profile picture on Duolingo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.